Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Can I say before we get started, I appreciate everybody that comes to the channel. If you come into the channel not subscribing, how about hitting that subscribe button? If you hold ICP, you believe in the project, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. We've been on the day 16 hours and 8 minutes. We got about 8 hours left in this day. Let's see. We got 7 hours and 51 minutes left in this day. And we'll have a brand new day on the crypto market. ICP is at $2.36, down 1.95% on the day. Pulling back from where it run up on a couple of days ago, March 12th. Let's see, March 17th, 17th, around $2.80. We're setting back down to $2.36. Coming back down to this support zone right here. I'm looking for ICP to pull back around $2.31. Looking for the pullback. And once we do have this pullback, we're going to come back down from where we at right now. Looking to come down somewhere around $2.30 and going back up. But to confirm us getting above where we're currently at on this bounce that we're going to get, we really need to get above this area right here at $2.41. Really pushing up at the 236 here on the 4-hour chart at $2.43. If we can push up above $2.43 after we pull back down here, that'll give us, we should see volume come in. We should see volume spike up. Right now, volume's kind of low. Volume sitting at 1.57 thousand. Not much, sitting kind of low compared to what we had back over here on the 11th of March. We had 1.47 million. So that is somewhere around about 9 times the volume back here. We lost 9 times the volume. So it's important that if you see them move up, it's important that you do see volume come in. I want to take this off. We got a couple resistance levels above us. And you can look here somewhere around $2.47. We did leave an imbalance, and we got some more up here. Somewhere around $2.59 all the way up to $2.69. We got some imbalances. So we could, which they could serve as magnets, but I do believe, from what I'm looking at on the charts, if we'll get, I do believe we can get back to this level at $2.53 after we pull back down into the support area. So we're going to take this support and resistance levels off. And if you can see right here, we're going to move down. We're going to get on the relative strength index. And as you can see, we're probably going to do pull. We came down, we moved back up. The RSI pushed up, but really nothing didn't happen to the price over here. It pushed up just a little bit on the 4-hour chart. And we came all the way back down and made a lower low, making lower highs and lower lows. But you can see from here to here, we did make make a lower high, but it wasn't quite as bad as we did before. So looking to pull back in this area right here, back in the overbought zone when we come up here, pulling back, and then from once we get in this overbought zone, oversold zone, then we're gonna be heading back towards the 50. So right now we're looking really bearish, so we're gonna pull back. We are gonna pull back on the price of ICP. Anytime you're setting below the 50, that's bearish in my opinion. As you can see, let me get right here. As you look over here, we was kind of going up and making, even over here, you wicked up, you came back down. You is holding this area right here above the 50, which is good. And then we just lost it. We just lost this area right here and we fell. And now we still we got to the point now. I see us coming back to this oversold zone one more time. So we just ain't necessarily got the volume what we need, like back over here. We need volume to pick up. So that's what we're looking like on, let's see the 1 hour chart. See, we got above the 50, we came down, and we're sitting at the 42 right now. Still under. It's just making lower highs and lower lows. 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, even today. Look, we topped out right here around 61, 62 on the RSI on the daily chart, and now we've come down. We're below the 50 now, so I do see us coming down lower on ICP. Great project. Just overall market, what's going on, has turned really, really bearish on the market. We'll go and not much of what I'm fitting to show you. It is, let's see, is correlated with ICP, but not very much. It's the TVL, total value locked. This is basically assets, tokens, stable coins, and on the blockchain that's stationed on for staking rewards, stable coins. This is the total value locked on the blockchain, which there's more to this with ICP. So I was going to bring you this. If you could ever see the price, we coming into an area of support here. I showed you earlier at the beginning of the chart, and if we can get this to push up as closer we get to the support area down here, let's get back to 400. So where we was at right here at $2.31. If we can get this to start pushing up the TVL, that will show, and then the volume come in, that would let us know we're building momentum for a push back up, a stronger push back up. As you can see right here, where we tried to go back up with a little bit of volume, it didn't help. TVL still came down. We need to see TVL going up with the price. If you don't see that, it's not very much of a pump. It's going to be more or less of a little push up and a dump back down. Needing to pick up more support when it comes back to the $2.31, 32 cents. and then we can build momentum and watch for the TVL. If the TVL, as this price is getting closer to the support level, and you see this TVL is starting to gradually, it ain't got to make us a sharp jump up or nothing. As long as we gradually building on the TVL of any asset, as the price slowly gets back down to the support area, that's kind of showing us volume picks up. That lets us know that we are fixing to make a push up again. Instead of dropping back down unless Trump or somebody makes a tweet and we get bad news with something that's got to do with the Iran and Israel, United States conflict going on. But I wanted to bring that to your attention. But right now, we're coming to cover the short term. The next couple of days, you could see ICP come down here, go up or down a little bit right here, and then start going back up, forming this W pattern. And then once we get above this area right here and get above the 236 here at $2.43 and hold this area, hold this area right here as an area of support. We do have a resistance setting at $2.48. I don't know, man. It's aggravating. But we do have a resistance at $2.48 on the 4-hour chart. So first we need to get above this area, then we'll have volume to come in. You'll see volume spike above this neckline right here at $2.41. And then you'll see a fast push, a fast volume increase. And then we can broke through this resistance and get up here to, somewhere between the 382 and the half is what I'm looking to happen. So keep your eyes on that. That could be in play for the next couple of hours into the next couple of days. If you like ICP and you like what we're doing here on the channel, how about subscribing? We'd love to have you. So until we see you on the next one, God bless you.